Hi, my name is Dan Botero, and today I will show you how to use the Sisu general performance action for Looker. If you haven't installed it yet, please go ahead and watch the other video. So in Looker, I'm going to navigate to my dashboard when I have like this exploration. Looker is great to find what changed in my data, but it's very difficult to find the why. And this is why we have created this integration at Sisu. In this exploration, I have a dimension called coupon code, and in my custom fields you can see that average of tax amount is actually a measure that I'm using. So if I want to explore more of this and see why this promo code has a better impact in my business, I'm going to go ahead and click send. I'm going to select the general performance KDA, and I'm going to select the same data source or connection that maps this data. It's basically the data warehouse that you're using. So you should have this set up in Sisu as well. So I'm going to click send. And just like that, if I navigate back to Sisu and I go to my scratchpad, I will see just a few seconds ago that a new analysis was created. So let's go inside there. In here I see that the metric that I'm using is that one, the average of tax amount 2. Dimensions, I see the coupon code is the one pre-selected since it's the one that Looker was using. And I see that the analysis already ran. And I already have some insights here. But it's very easy from here to go ahead and probably add customer age, save, run. And just like that, I have a positive impact here. I can see how the customers on age 29 and 32 are the ones that are driving the usage of those coupon codes. If you have any questions about how to use the Sisu action, please let us know. Thank you.